3, 2, 1.
Maligayang hapon sa inyong lahat at sana masaya kayo dyan sa selebrasyon ngayon ng ating kaibigan. Sa araw na ito ay kanyang kaarawan at binabati ko siya ng maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Rodrigo Igo Murillo Flores. Sana ang iyong mga pangarap ay iyong maabot pa. You go that far, so I think you need to go further. At kung may tatlo kang prinsesa na magmamahal sa iyo at si wifey mo, so kung wish mo pang magka-prinsipe, pwede naman mamaya. Pumikit ka lang ng mata, humingi ka at siguradong ibibigay sa iyo yan. Enjoy! Maligayang kaarawan, Appear!
Happy birthday, Kuya Igo! Wishing you all the best in life. God bless.
Para sa'yo,
Happy birthday sa aking matalik na kaibigang si Igo sa taga Timaru.
Para
Kahit
sa'yo,
anumang laban sa buhay, nandito lang ako sa iyo. Mahal na mahal kita, aking matalik na kaibigan.
di ako susuko, isisigaw ko.
Hey, happy birthday, brother Igo. More favor and blessings to you and to your family. Ipagpatuloy mo lang ang iyong mga magagandang ginagawa. Stay healthy and keep warm.
Brad, Igo, pare. Balita ko birthday mo daw ah. Happy birthday, pare. Wish you all the best. Wish you good health, long life, pare. Enjoy mo, special day mo. Happy birthday, pare. See you soon. Painom ka naman.
Palakpakan ng may kaarawan. Palakpakan ng may kaarawan. Palakpakan ng may kaarawan. Hey, happy birthday!
Salamat sa palibre.
Happy birthday, Parshi!
Thank you.
Hey!
It's okay. Thank you.
Hey! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Eagle. Happy birthday, Eagle. Happy birthday, Eagle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Eagle.
Yon, isang pagpalang hapon sa inyo at gagawin nga na pala natin itong video na to habang tayo nagpapagupit. Una sa lahat, binabati namin ang aming kaibigan na si Igo sa kanyang darating na kaarawan. Maligayang kaarawan, BFF Igo. I wanted to share something for you. Na alam mo ba, ang Igo ay nasusulat sa matandang kasulatan. Ang Igo, ang ibig sabihin niyan, ikaw, guwapo, only. Yon. Kaya ikaw, Igo, panatilihin mo ang pagiging guwapo mo. God bless and have many more birthdays. Ito si Alberto, babati rin sa'yo. Aking official haircutter.
Hello, there you go. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Yay!
Yay!
Yun. Igo, gusto ko lang bumati sa'yo ng happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo ngayong araw na to. Pagpatuloy mong maging isang mabuting ama, asawa, at kaibigan. Number 1 ka, par. Yun lang. Painom ka naman. Okay, happy birthday, par.
Happy birthday, Kuya Igo. See you soon. Love you. Happy birthday, Kuya Igo! We miss you! I love you! Uwi ka na! 10 years ka na dyan! O kaya kami pupunta dyan. Bye-bye! I love you! Happy birthday, Igo! Happy 40th birthday, Daddy. God bless you more, and we love you. Amen. Why? You're breaking. Happy birthday, Daddy. Wait, you're checking something.
Happy 40th birthday, Daddy Eagle. I pray for more birthdays to celebrate and long life for you. I would also like to say thank you for all the love and sacrifices that you have done to our family. I'm blessed to have you as my husband and as a father to our children. I'm praying that may God guide us and help us achieve whatever dreams in our hearts. Thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy your birthday celebration this year. We love you so much. Let's just enjoy our lives together. Love you. Bye.